Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Sketch files to iCloud Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Sketch on your Mac. Ensure you have the latest version of Sketch installed. Begin by creating a new Sketch file or opening an existing one. Navigate to the top menu bar. Click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. In the dialog box that appears, choose your desired folder location. Locate and select iCloud Drive from the sidebar. If you don't see iCloud Drive, make sure it's enabled in your Finder settings. Select a folder within iCloud Drive or create a new one for your Sketch files. Name your Sketch file appropriately in the text field provided. Click on the Save button to save your file to iCloud Drive. To ensure your file is backed up, go to the Finder. Open iCloud Drive from the sidebar. Locate your Sketch file within the chosen folder. Confirm that the file is there and accessible. You can also enable desktop backup for easier access to your Sketch files. Go to System Preferences on your Mac. Select Apple ID and then click on iCloud. Make sure that iCloud Drive is checked. Click on Options next to iCloud Drive. Ensure that Desktop and Documents folders is selected for automatic backup. This will allow your Sketch files stored on your desktop to be backed up to iCloud Drive automatically. Remember to regularly save your work in Sketch to keep your files updated on iCloud. Consider creating a routine to check your backups to avoid any loss of work. With these steps, your Sketch files will be securely backed up to iCloud Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.